Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. And as usual, we are solving LeetCode problem. And today's problem number is 125, and the title is Valid Palindrome. And the description of the problem is a phrase is a palindrome. Okay, it's the definition of the palindrome. After converting all uppercase letter into lowercase letters and removing all non-alphanumeric characters, it reads the same forward and backward. All alphanumeric characters include letters and numbers. Given a string as returned true if it is a palindrome or false otherwise. So let's look at the topic. Going to have a string. Okay. Let's look at the example. Input a man, a plan, a camel, Panama, true. Okay, so we have to remove all space in all the special symbols and numbers, and only characters should, sorry, alphabets should remain, and all should be in small letters. So what we can do is we can create a loop which will go from 0th index to last index of the given string. And what we will do is we'll check if si is greater than equals to 65 and si is less than equals to 90, or si is greater than equals to 97 and si is less than equals to 122. I think these are the uh, uh, ASCII value of alphabets. Small, I think small a to small z is from 65 to 90, and from capital A to capital Z was 97 to 122. There were a lot of questions related to ASCII value in our exams, so I know this much. Okay, so what we need to do is, okay, instead of using this, what we can do is let's code this as this is for uh, what are they in reverse? I think 65 to 90 is for capital, I guess, and 97 is for small. Let's look at the ASCII value of A to Z. Yeah, that's what I thought. These are for capital and these are for small. So what we need to do is let's remove this R and we need to code this. So we only need small case alphabet. So what we can do is we can create a string named answer, and let's look at the function which can reverse a string. How to reverse a string if there is a member function for it. Okay, I forgot to mention uh, in C++. Yeah, I thought so. We have reverse function. We need to write str.begin and str.end. Okay, that's similar to vector. Okay, so we have reverse. Uh, that will make our work a lot easier. What we can do is let's create another. Okay, this string shouldn't be a. This string should be after. This string should be before the loop. So what we need to do is we need one named answer, and another named reverse. Now what we'll do is, sorry. Okay, so this range is for small letters. So okay, we also need additional variable name j. What's the range? Okay, it can go up to 10 to the power 5, so it's better to make it double. We could use we could remove all the space and use two pointer, one traversing from here and another traversing from here, uh, to look at the or to compare each character individually. But let's do it in this way, and we might try in that way too. Okay, so if uh, instead of using reverse, I think it's better to use S because it helps to conserve memory, right? Is S is already given to us, so what we can do is we can reverse answer and assign it to S, so it will help us to conserve our memory. We'll assign ans J to or S I to ans J, and we'll increment J by a single unit. And else if, sorry, what we need is SI is greater than equals to 65 and SI is less than equals to 1, not 122, it's 90. It means that these letters are in capital. So what we need is we need to convert these to small case, which we can do by simply adding 42 uh, to its equivalent capital letter is uh, uh, 32, or its equivalent capital and small letter are at a difference of 32. As we can see, 65 plus 32 equals to 97. So if the letter were to be capital A, then we can simply add 32 to make it small a. So I think this will do it. After that, we need to increment J, and after this it is completed. Now what we need to do is we need to assign as to REVERS reverse ends dot begin, comma ends dot end. I think that's how you do it, right? Yes. Reverse str dot end, str dot begin, str dot end. Okay, so after doing this, what we need to do is we need to compare if yes equals to answer, then return true, uh, else return false. Yeah, if the reverse is equal, then it means it is palindrome, else it isn't palindrome. What happened? Use of undeclared a. Okay, instead of using si, type it to a. Okay. The easiest and most efficient way to str reverse a function using the algorithm. Okay, so if we use reverse on s string str, then it means that str itself will get reverse. Okay, okay, I got it. So what we need to do is we need to assign uh, ends to str, and after that we can reverse answer. What happened now? Buffer overflow. Okay, so what do I got it? What we need to do? Uh, we don't need double J. What we can simply do is we can simply use plus equals to, and we can remove this J. I think this will do it. Is we can use a normal operator in string. Okay, let's try. Wrong answer. Output false. Expected true. This was true and this was true too. So let's what we can do is we can simply see out as, and let's see what happened. Okay, so the capital. Okay, okay. So I forgot to add 42. Yeah, that's the reason for getting that. Hmm. What happened now? See out as the last PANAMA. What about answer? Is A in answer? No. Oh man, there is no oil. Yeah. What happened? We're printing answer, and the answer is printing same thing. Oh man. Okay, so the last letter, which is A, is not being uh, assigned to answer. I don't know why. It should come here and it should be assigned what it isn't. Okay, so I got it. I think that's the main reason for it. Okay, okay, yeah, that was the reason. Now let's remove C out answer. Let's submit it and look at the time complexity and also the memory complexity. Okay, what happened? Output true, expected false. This is zero and this is key. So if what we can do is if okay we can't use we can simply use if uh, si is greater than equals to 47 and si is less than equals to uh, 58. I forgot the ASCII value of no integer numbers. ASCII value of integers. Okay, so 48 to 57, not 47 to 58. 48 to 57. In such case, we can simply return false. Oh, see, I didn't consider about that. Okay, so In case of numbers 2, what we need to do is as I let's submit it now. Okay, so it worked, but memory complexity is it. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and I will meet you in tomorrow's video. Bye.